Okay. I don't have time to tell you what's up, but just know we're gonna be busy. No, I'm kidding. So it's Friday again, and my wife has so just so you guys know, my wife works for the hospital, and a team of her and her colleagues are ordering today. Usually I'm not open for lunch, but for my wife, anything for my babes, you know. So they pre-called me telling me what they want, so I'm gonna try to get ahead right now. So I overheard 3 bows, so I got that. But yeah, I'm literally waiting for the screen over there to tell me what their order is. But for the time being, I can get this going. You know, because last time when they did this, it was all just in one shebang. They didn't let me know. They didn't give me enough time, I should say, to like process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it almost sounds like they want chicken ramen today, so I'm actually gonna pre-do that all right now. So we'll do 4 minutes on the timer. I'll leave that out if we still need it. So the main thing about big orders is obviously it delays me, right? Because it's just me. There's no other hands to do, to give me like assistance, I should say. But what I can do is I can preset most of the things. That way it would benefit me. But I overheard 3 bows and 4 of the chicken ramen. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, something boiling over. Reduce that. 4. 5. Got 5 orders there right now. But knowing from when they ordered last time, they did like to mod with additional, like they like the chicken quite a bit. So I'll put 6 down here, just in case. More like 7. We'll give it 7. 7 orders all together. Leave that there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 noodles. The 5th one, we don't know what it is just yet, but I can only assume something similar. And then I know for a fact there's 5 sold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, those gone right now. Get a couple of things there and get the noodles in. So like, again, I'm at the mercy of them sending out their order, hopefully soon. Because like labeling and writing all the components is what takes the most time. I'm just gonna flip this. Remember, the chicken is already sous vide, so these are cooked already. I'm just reheating them. Like so. Okay, keep that separate for the pork. Okay. Patiently waiting. This is the I don't want to say crunch time. I believe the only one that's different is my wife. She wanted the fish ramen, and I'm down to the last one specifically today. But we will, I'll get that going for how long? Maybe let me show you a hey Steph.
Sorry, Casey.
It's okay.
I have a question. For the chicken ramen, I wanted to do the chicken. Actually, I wanted to try the chicken ramen.
Okay.
But I didn't want the chicken that you have. I wanted to try it with chicken katsu.
Yeah.
How can I do that?
So.
How can I replace it?
Gotcha. So I know I only gave you four options of the chicken ramen. So what you're gonna do is give me a give me 1 second. Do the build your own bowl. You're gonna choose the.
Do build my own bowl instead
Yeah,
of
yeah.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go to build my own bowl. Okay.
And then you're
just put chicken broth.
Yeah, chicken broth. And then you said
chicken katsu.
Correct. And then just put the katsu on there. It's essentially the same exact thing.
Oh, okay. Does it have eggs or no eggs?
No eggs. Eggs are all
Okay.
what do you call that? They're add-ons. Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, I heard that the chicken one is pretty good, so I wanted to try it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I got you.
Wait, that has noodles in it, right?
It has noodles in it. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thanks.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we got some components there. So it seems like it might be 5 chicken ramens. 1 extra katsu, it sounds like. So I'll fire 2 more here. Now also like to be mindful of their time, because their lunch time is literally, you know, at noon. Sometimes it goes a little over, but I just want to make sure everything goes out as quickly as possible for them. Okay, fire that right now. And while we are all waiting together, we're just gonna ponder. Everything is pretty much done. All right, that's the fish. I got the chicken here. That's cooking. Okay. I know for a fact that I can probably get the noodles down now. So we'll do that right now. A lot of them don't really eat pork too, so it's all chicken on their end, which is great. It makes my life easier. You don't gotta mess with it. One, two, three, four, five, 6. I got 5 here right now. So yeah, how was your day? We'll do a little Q&A. Well, AMA, not Q&A. Ask me anything. I do have new noodles for the, oh, hold on. Hey, hi.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
The build your own bowl. We don't have to put it to add noodles because it already comes with noodles.
Correct. It comes with noodles and soup.
And soup.
Yes.
If I want veggies, then I have to add veggies.
That is correct.
It already comes with noodles, Ari. You added, that's extra noodles. To build your own thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll take it off.
Okay, thank you.
I got you.
Good.
What?
Can you add veggies to my?
Oh, I didn't. She did that. Alright, let me fire 5, because I know at least 5 of these bowls are chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you got 6 bowls today. Maybe. I'll fire the one right now and I'll start filling these up shortly. Just want to make sure I have all the stuff that they ordered for now. They also wanted the rice bowls, but unfortunately I don't have I didn't make any rice last night for today. I'll make it after this. Like as soon as I'm done with their order, I'll go ahead and get it started. But for the time being, this is what we got, you know? Ooh, that's hot. And then you know what's crazy? Like imagine if they 3. Imagine if they didn't want what you call that? The chicken broth instead. It'd be like sub tonkotsu. It would be very annoying, but it is what it is. Alright, the chicken's there. Just want to separate this. I just want to mark it right now that I know specifically that's the fish. So this one's from my wife. Naruto. Just the veggies. Scallions. And I'll give her. Oh, you saw that? That's a professional grab right there, baby. Extra chicken. Hit that with some salt right now. This is for my babe. Babe. See that? With a smiley face. Alright, we are literally waiting for them to make the final decision. This way I can go on ahead and do the motions. Should I chance it and start making the bows? What do you guys think? I think I should do it. Yeah, I really think I should do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll leave the 5th one empty for the time being, but I think I'm gonna do the bows. Oh. 1. 2. Again, this is all just hearsay, huh? This is hopefully they stuck to their guns, and this is what this is what they are going to order. Because if they don't, we kind of just wasted the bows. Yeah? Ooh. Shit's hot as anything. Y'all see me struggling right now, yeah? What? What the shit is happening? Okay, there we go. What if I just put the chicken first, huh? Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's 3 bows. Heard. Still awaiting. Got extras there. So my chicken bao specifically gets 2 sauces. So it gets my drama mayo, make in house, and I used to make the teriyaki in house too. However, I found this company called Bachan's. These guys. Also, I reuse the bottles, right? Because it's great. So they make a teriyaki made in California. Great company. However, it's super sweet. So I kind of doctor it up a little bit, so it's not so sweet. What? What happened to 4? See what I mean? Okay, hold on. Let's Okay, anyway, whole big snafu. They just wanted build your own bowls. So this one is BYOB Tatiana plus pork. This one is BYOB. Come on, I'll update you guys in 2 seconds. Miso's there. Okay, BYOB. This one is Sebastian plus chicken. Okay, those two. Cool. Actually, this one's no broth, so still the same fixings. Okay, now we go with a tonkotsu. So this one is the tonkotsu sub chicken at katsu. Okay. The man loves katsu, huh? Allergic to shellfish. Okay. Ari. Yeah, Ari. Nope. Sub chicken plus chicken. Okay. Next we have a miso. This one. Add katsu. Okay. This is for tom plus chicken plus some ball. Okay. Cool. This one is for Elise. Elise just wants a tonkotsu. Awesome. Nice and easy. Elise. Tonkotsu. That's done. That's done. I still feel like I'm down a bowl. 1, 2, Ari. Yes. Miso, yes. I am down a bowl, see? I lied to you. I need one more. So this is the chicken. It's katsu. BYOB. This is for Steph. I got you, Steph. Steph. Plus chicken plus veggie. And then the one I'm missing is Melissa. Melissa wants a miso. I got you. Okay. All right, guys. Jeez. So did we learn anything from this? Well, don't take what they said for granted. Don't take what they said verbatim. Because they were like, oh, I want 4 chicken ramens. I'm like, okay, great. But they wanted fried chicken, so I just gotta. It's my bad completely. Should have made sure. Okay, Melissa. Not sure right now. Okay. Other than that, though, we're caught up. I'm gonna go ahead and lid these bad boys. Those are all for Tatiana also. Tati, Tati, Tati. Straight. And I do have the pan fried. Tati for Tatiana. Yes. And this one's just a very simple, plus the veggies. All right, look at that. We made it, guys. Was that difficult, more difficult than what we had to make it as? Yes, 100%. However, anything for my wife and colleagues. Very big into supporting the workforce, specifically the healthcare. All right. Just lid Melissa, and then we are all good. Melissa plus veggies stuff. Okay, that one completed. Look at that, we made it, huh? Maybe I'll separate Tatiana's little bowl on this side because there's like four things. Tati. Okay. I forgot of the name that for Ari. Okay, and then the rest on this side. All right, guys. Thank you for everyone's support. Hopefully that was educational for you. I'm gonna go take a nap now, so peace.